there! Good afternoon, good evening, and good day. RJYC Vlog here. I'm back. So ako ay nawala ng ilang buwan mula nung Marso sa aking account na original RJYC Vlog because someone tried to hack me or I don't know. Whatever happens, bumalik na ang account ko. So welcome back to me. I'm back. I'm very back. So lalaban na ulit tayo at kahit gurgurin nyo pa ang aking account ay ako ay babangon at dudurugin ko yung mga jutang genames na mga pagmumukha nyo. Welcome back to me, my original RJYC Vlog account. Hello everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. We are going to fight. I use my other RJYC Vlog account, but this is my original RJYC Vlog account and I have a lot of followers here, more than the other one. So welcome back to me. Hello everyone. Hello.